Hello, Nicole Homa with Standout Pro here, talking to you about why an editorial calendar is something that you need to have in your toolkit when it comes to managing your LinkedIn posting. Yes, editorial calendar. People are like, what is that? Let me explain a little bit about my background first. When I was about 21 years old, I actually started working for a Native American newspaper, doing their website design, and then getting thrown in headfirst into actually designing and laying out and writing for the newspaper. From there, I was hired as the assistant editor of a large regional livestock publication called Tri-State Livestock News, and that's really when I started learning about an editorial calendar. We would plan out what our issues were going to be about, honestly, 18 months in advance. So that way we always had a target of what stories we wanted to write about, what pictures we needed, and of course, then our sales reps had advertising to sell around those issues. Now, having the editorial calendar helped me stay on task. And of course, it helped the entire organization stay on task of course, selling advertising, making money, and providing quality content to the people who subscribe to the newspaper. After there, I actually left and started a monthly equine publication, horse publication, with a business partner. We ran that from 2002 to 2008 when we sold it 2 days prior to my wedding. There we were small, we were bootstrapped. Everything, the first month it was Deb and myself. She did all the sales, I did all of the accounting, all of the editorial, all of the graphics, everything, and we made it work. We did add another graphics person on and a couple more sales reps throughout the year, but I was the main editorial person. Deb and I would come up with themes of things that we needed to promote based on the seasons in the horse industry. And we're still planning at least 12 months, if not 18 months out at that time. And it must have worked. The magazine is actually still going today and we'll be celebrating 16 years here June 1st. Now, having an editorial calendar just means that you're planning out what you're going to talk about. For now, I want you to just look at the next 3 months, get your feet wet, get going on it, and I will have several different videos to go along with this initial video and documentation of how to create your own editorial calendar and then how to make sure that you stay on task with it. Organization is key, and I know for a lot of people, organization can fall by the wayside, but if you set yourself up for success from the get-go and make sure that you keep on it and you have a checklist and system in place when it comes to editorial planning and posting on LinkedIn, it'll be much easier for you. So I hope that you find these videos useful, this script useful, and I am so happy that you did attend the Standout Pro. Make sure you join us on LinkedIn in our client acquisition mastermind group. And of course, we have our upcoming client acquisition intensive that's going to be a 2 to 3 day event in Tucson. So check out the website standoutpro.com for more information on any of those. Make it a standout week.